I eat breakfast late, and then I don't eat anything for 5 hours. I try so hard to get to 5 hours. Usually around 4 hours, 4.5 hours, my stomach is like pretty rumbly. I remember being so hungry. We were at the Golden Globes for Orange, and I had this gorgeous long dress, and I was so hungry that I snuck into the bathroom stall with like my dress train. It was like stuffed into the bathroom stall, and I'm in there like eating my crackers because I was so hungry, and I didn't want people to like be like, what is this girl doing eating crackers?